Hey, what's going on, Gaijins and gal-jins? This is Good Gaijin Greg, and I'm back with another cooking video. And yeah, it's been a while. Sashiburi da yo ne. Long time no see. But yeah, it's been a while since I've done a video like this. I've been doing a lot of the really fast, maybe 5 minutes obento videos. But today I want to try something different. I'm sure you've seen a bunch of my videos, all 5 of you, and noticed that I do a lot of chicken, a lot of pork, not a lot of beef. I'm sure a lot of you are just wondering, where's the beef? Well, today I'm definitely bringing the beef, but it might not be what you're expecting. See, today I am going to make one of my favorite dishes since I've come here, and this is going to be a bit of a acquired taste kind of video. So I will be making something that is very, very popular in Sendai, which is Gyutan. It's a Gyutan lunch set, and Gyutan is cow tongue. Now, before you click off the video, cow tongue is really good. And it's one of my favorite foods since I came here. And Japan, the way that they make it, the way that they cook it and present it is amazing. And it is something that once you try it, it will change you. So hopefully you enjoy this. Gyutan isn't the only thing on the menu that will be a bit, I guess, polarizing for some. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. So let's get in the kitchen.
Alright, so this is the mountain yam for our tororo. So first you're going to peel it, and you're going to start to grate it. And right now it looks pretty normal, but after a while this starts happening. So here is the acquired taste part of tororo. It is a very, 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 very slimy food when it is grated. So if you're not big on this kind of texture, then I suggest you skip this. And to this we're going to add a few tablespoons of dashi, some soy sauce, knit in, and mix that together. Taste it for salt. And yeah, if you're eating this, then you're done. Tororo, set that aside, and let's move on. Next, we're gonna have our rice. We're gonna rinse that out, and to that we're going to add our barley, and you can pretty much just cook this like normal. There you go, barley rice. Next, we're going to boil our bones for our soup. I couldn't get any ox tail, so I'm just using chicken bones, and you're going to skim any impurities off that. Into a fresh pot, you're going to add the bones, onions, ginger, leeks, and some lightly crushed garlic. There you go, beautiful. Put a top on that and let that go for an hour. After about an hour, you're going to go ahead and add some soy sauce and our little pieces of beef. Look at that, beautiful color, everything. Soup's done. Now for the main dish. We've got our gyutan and we're gonna make a sauce to put on that. That's just sesame oil, garlic powder, a little bit of salt, and some lemon juice. Boom, done. Go ahead and put that on a nice hot skillet. Move it around to make sure it doesn't stick. Brush the other side with your sauce, and then add a little salt pepper mix. Flip it when it's starting to brown. are all set.
Okay, after a lot of work, we have our Sendai Gyutan lunch set. And so we have our barley rice. Unfortunately, I couldn't get my hands on oxtail, so we just have like a beef soup. You can't even see it because I can't tilt it, but I promise it's in there. We have our kororo. I don't know how many of you guys will be wanting to make that, but hopefully more than I think. And then we have some pickled vegetables and our main course, gyutan or cow tongue. So let's go ahead and get started and see how everything came out. And you know I have to go in for the gyutan first. I missed you. I missed you so much. Yeah, depending on which part of the tongue the meat you get is, depends on how like chewy it'll be. The closer it is to the tip of the tongue, like the tip of the tongue is really chewy, and then like the back of the tongue is like the most tender, and you'll see the most marbling on it. This was probably somewhere between the tip and the middle. So it's still good. It's got a really heavy beef flavor, so I'm assuming it's somewhere in the middle. But yeah, it's still gonna be chewy, but it's gonna be really good. Yeah, amazing flavor. Amazing flavor. And then of course you have your little pickles. Cabbage. And then see barley rice. I mean, it's mostly just rice with barley in it. Okay. It basically tastes like rice. The barley isn't really adding too much to it. Like it adds a little bit of a like a different flavor to it. Yeah, no seasoning, just rice. That's the seasoning. We'll get to that. Next, let's try our soup. So for the soup, all I did was spoon the broth in and the meat and some diced onions. So let's see how it came out. Yeah, that's good. Meat, nice and tender. Has a bit of fat in there. The soup is nice and light, but has a strong beef flavor to it. And like the chicken bones I used brought some good flavor to it. All right, here we go. Tororo. Now, you're supposed to eat it over rice, so here we go. little dab, just a light dab of Totoro. So let's see. Come on. Because it's so liquidy, it kind of like broke up some of the rice. There we go. Flavor-wise, it's pretty good. You just got to get used to eating the rice with just straight slime. A very flavorful slime, but you didn't see that. But yeah, just straight. Yeah, it's good. Throw a little bit of salt on there with some extra soy sauce. But yeah, pretty good. If you can get over the texture, then I would say give it a try. It's just Japanese mountain yam. So I hope you guys, look at that. I hope you give it a try. Even if you don't give the yam a try, I really hope you give the cow tongue a try. It's seriously one of my favorite things here, and it's so good. I haven't made it down to Sendai yet to actually try theirs, because it's supposed to be like the best. So, please, if you get a chance, go ahead and give the Sendai Gyutan lunch set a try. And yeah, I think that's about it. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this off. Yes, even that. So please go ahead and like, share, and subscribe, and go down in the comments and tell me if there's anything on here that you would actually really enjoy trying. I'm curious to see how many people would want to try the cow tongue, the oxtail soup, and the incredibly slimy Japanese mountain yam. So, all right, I'll see you guys next time. Take care. See ya.